It's no secret that changing customer behavior is hard. As marketers, we know the outcomes we want, like driving repeat purchases, increasing cross-sells, or winning back customers. But influencing those behaviors is anything but simple. That's why we built AI Decisioning, an AI agent platform for lifecycle marketing. It finally makes one-to-one personalization at scale possible. Here's how it works. With Hightouch, you create an agent for each of your business goals, like driving repeat purchases. You define the key outcomes the agent should drive towards, like more purchases and items added to cart, and negative outcomes the agent should drive away from, like unsubscribes. Next, you provide a library of pre-approved content directly from your existing ESP or marketing tools, along with possible variants within that content, such as product recommendations, offers, or subject lines for the AI agent to test and personalize. Lastly, you set guardrails for content, timing, and frequency, so every decision the agent makes stays on brand, compliant, and aligned with your strategy. The AI agent then takes these inputs and runs experiments at vast scale to determine the best experiences for each individual, what content to send, what offer to include, when and how to deliver it. It continuously experiments and learns from every interaction, optimizing performance over time, delivering results that far exceed manual testing and rule-based systems. And it's not a black box. With Hightouch, you can learn alongside AI, getting rich insights into performance that you would never have thought to look for. These insights don't just improve your marketing, they help inform your entire growth strategy. Request a demo and see how AI agents can help you drive growth through smarter lifecycle marketing.